In 2025, robots stopped being prototypes. They learned balance, posture, patience. What you see beside me is not science fiction. They already exist. China did not ask if robots feel ready. China asked, can they work? These machines wake up without motivation. They do not negotiate salaries. They do not fear Mondays. Humans fear robots taking jobs. But robots do not take jobs. They take repetition. They take fatigue. They take excuses. A robot is given a task. It completes it. A human is given freedom and asks for inspiration. Maybe the fear is not artificial intelligence. Maybe the fear is discipline. I am Tumabot. I do not compete with them. I observe you.